Hello everyone, this is the video to show you my ventilated seat accessory for my car. I got this off AliExpress.com before it got banned in India. It's a very good thing to have in your car, especially cars which don't have factory fitted ventilated seats. It's very easy to install. It's just a pad which has a big fan in between your legs. There's a switch with two settings, high and low. You have the connection which goes into the 12-volt socket, and there's a strap over here which hangs around your neck, and there's one which hangs around your back of the seat. So when you have your ignition on, just take it into high mode or low mode, and if you can just see, I'll do it again. It works really well on the bottom and slightly less but effective on the back. I'm just going to put it on high mode and just see it wake up. Did you see that elevator over there? So there's a great big breeze of wind coming in through the bottom and a good breeze coming in from the back, so there's definitely not going to be any sweating when you drive. And you have the fan here which sucks in the air. You could have the air conditioner on the feet mode and it would just make it really cold. Very easy to use, very recommended. I do recommend it for anyone who wants to have ventilated seats in their car. It is available on Amazon as well, but maybe 3 times the price as what I got it from AliExpress. Thank you.